afternoon, guys. So I'm just now picking up the camera. It is a little bit after 1. We are at the laundromat. Gonna do some laundry, and then we're gonna go run some errands. I went to the UPS store and I mailed out the Acer, the laptop that's not working, and I was gonna mail out the camera like I had told you guys, but there's actually a Canon place in the area, so I don't have to. So they're not open right now, but I'm gonna go there on Monday. But now we are going to get Miss Tori, and Lex and Grace are gonna get their clothes. Yeah, and you'll show everybody your new hairstyle. Put your cup in there, good girl. And hope. Well, come on. We're gonna hang around this time because remember last time people stole our clothes, so we're gonna learn. Jump down, sit. Now scoot down. Boop, and you're gonna be a good girl. No whining and no temper tantrums. All right, step up. And stay right there by the chair. Go ahead, Grace. And no, we still have not gotten our trunk fixed yet. Lex, are you done? Alright. Now I'm going to get my stuff. And I will see you when we get inside.
So I'm going to do some Sorry. Hey guys, so I'm doing my schoolwork right now because we are at the laundromat. And Grace is out there going to get something. And the car is locked. There's Tori and there's Tommy putting stuff in. And there's my computer. We're kind of and I'm just doing my schoolwork. So Tommy's
definitely not sound like a good fit. That's what he gets because he's doing the machine for me. I'm glad because I was going to use that machine to cook for me. Yeah, we are almost, well, we're not almost done. Some of the clothes are still washing, some of them are still drying, and the Wi-Fi is not working, so Grace is supposed to be doing her schoolwork, but supposedly she can't. Lex is over there, not seeming to have any problems. Tori's over there, being Tori. We're probably going to be here for another hour, and then we are going to go to the Walmart, get some stuff. Grace needs to get her. Go ahead.
Need to get glue.
Yes. Well, no, we're not going to, unless there's a beauty supply store in this area, we'll wait until tomorrow when I go to pick up my my medicine from the Target because the Sally's is right down the street from there. You can't do God. You tell her to do God. Just one hand for food. You know what food is. Good girl. Yeah. Finally. She's so hard-headed about praying before she eats. She always does all this extra stuff, and we won't give it to her until she does it correctly because she knows how to do it. She's just very stubborn. So she finally prayed, and now she's eating. Yeah. Now that's all. That's just that, okay? And try and make her pause. We really, really, really have to work hard with her because she just wants to ram everything in her mouth and try and teach her good manners. So Lex is being a good girl, feeding her. Although she could, ideally, she should be trying to feed herself. And look at her, look at her. Give her the fork and let her do it, because those are easy. Give her the fork. And let's see what she does. Yay, Tori Bori! Good girl! The lighting is horrible as usual. And Tori has gotten stuck on this thing I don't know how many times. Yet for all, she keeps going back. Put your foot down and stop going up there, please. Get down. It's time to go bye-bye. And look, she's trying to go back up there again. Tori, no. Stay down. No, no. So we are done, finally. I'm just going to put these last little bit of clothes. And yeah, I'm going to put these last little bit of clothes in the bag, and then we are leaving.
Guys, so we are in the big lots right now because we wanted to come in here just to look around, get stuff. And
You said what?
I really, really like that thing right there. This one. It's so cute. There we go. Got much brighter.
Yeah, there's no sign though.
Really, really, really need some Tide for my slime.
I remember this Big Lots. This Big Lots was like the king of Big Lots.
It's so cute. Look at all this. Oh, there's some nail polish over there. They have root beer float mica nights. Look at that. It's so dark in here. Yes. And then they have these Mentos fruit mix. Ooh, and then they have these Muddy Bears. Grace, look at the Muddy Bears.
Cool. $3
And ooh, I really like these. I like those. Those are like my favorite. And they have all these hot tamales. Look at this big circus head. So good.
This is so cool. They have summertime dum-dums. It has lemon shake-up, caramel apple, cotton candy, peach tea, s'mores, funnel cake, banana split, and strawberry milkshake. That sounds really good. Only thing I'm not a big dum-dum fan.
They're just like a tease because they're so small.
Yeah.
Small.
So I got these cheese pops, which I love. Corn puffs, wheat thins, and club minis. And Lex got the kettle thingy jiggies. And Grace got just wheat thins so far.
I'm gonna get some Jawbreaker. I like Jawbreakers, and they're only $1.
Oh, they are?
Yes.
What do you see, Lex?
They're called paintball pops.
Oh, paintball pops. Ooh,
Amen.
cool. And I love Mountainers, but I don't like the hard ones. I like the chewy ones.
So look who's awake. Teacher, say hi. Wait. Say hi. Okay. She doesn't want to come to me. But that's okay. So I'm going to go on that baby and go on the iPad and do some. Look, I'm going to work on something. Look at this project I'm working on. I hope it's not dead. Don't die. Oh, no, it's not dead. Okay, so is it? It's at 3%, but look at this project I'm working on. Where is it? Well, no, it's not a project, it's just a story, but I wrote the story, so it's really, really, really good. It's episode. You should really, really, really go and get it. It's just episode. Choose your story. Just wait until it loads. And I do not need this skill for acro because we don't need it, I guess. I don't know. We don't really, well, I don't know. I've only been there for one day. So I don't know what we are going to do for the other days. And so on. But I thought I needed this thing because they said I needed it. This.
Why are you ordering $1,000 worth of tests?
Rule out appendicitis.
But.
Trust me.
He has
Oh,
pain in the right lower quadrant.
And so would you if you were full gas. Sir, Take nothing by mug for 6 hours. And when you do, take those 6.
But I don't need it. So, because Coach Amanda, we're going to have an open house thing where we are going to demonstrate our skills or demonstrate something that we want to do. And I'm going to be demonstrating a back tuck, a standing back tuck, or a standing back handspring, or an aerial. One of those three. I don't know, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. But Grace is in there organizing
What?
in that room. Mom's room over there.
You have all of them.
And Tori's staring at me like, what are you doing? Tori, say hi. Say hi, guys.
Say hi.
Hi, guys. She is so sweaty. Oh, not that sweaty. She was sweaty when she woke up because she just woke up from a nap. Tori, are you sweaty? Look at her hair. That is sweat. Yeah. Just decided that you see how it's like wet and like stick to it. And Mommy's over here watching ER as usual. That's her favorite show to watch.
Favorite show of all time. I'm so glad they brought it back.
Brought him back. And I just realized that the dab is dead. Mom, the dab's dead.
Bye-bye, Dad.
Rest in peace.
You go play?
Look at that cutie look. Her little floppy low ponytail. Her hair is growing so
bumpy.
much.
Why your face
I know,
is
her
breaking?
face is
It's
so
just look at all
bumpy.
these new
Look at that.
bumps. Look at all.
Look at this.
I just don't know what the
Only you
problem
can feel
is.
it. She has, what does she have, Mom?
She has eczema. And look at her leg.
Look. Where is it? Ooh, that looks so painful.
Not
Why is she
painful.
always signing milk?
Look at her arm. It's because they're giving
it's
her
all
milk at home, at school.
School.
Oh, boy. Lexi's here trying to break Tori's neck.
No, Mom,
Have her do
I'm
it.
serious. She basically.
No, no more.
Okay,
No
one more. I
more.
just want one more.
No.
I just.
Lexi,
Fine, let's do it back up.
no. Just close out the vlog. Go
On
ahead.
the spot here. Look, she wants to do it.
Tori, say thank you. Good girl. For watching our videos. Lex.
Yeah, good balance. And don't forget to subscribe.
And if you like what you see, comment down below. And we will...
See you tomorrow.
Oh boy. What are you, a stuck bug? Poor baby.
I sketched this little puppy.
No, we are... yes, baby. And the puppy says bye-bye. Tori, say bye-bye.
Oh yeah, the puppy.
Say bye-bye.
Good night, guys. Please excuse birthdays.
Oh, Grace is going to camp.
Okay, that's not until Monday. Tori, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
See, flippity.
Tori boy. Say bye-bye. And you're being naughty.
Say bye.
Bye, guys.